Cake decorating for less. Hi. The objective here is to show examples of how people on a budget can decorate cakes and other desserts without breaking the bank. There are many cheaper alternatives to name brand products, and some of them you may have in your home. Featured prices are from Walmart and Dollar Tree and may vary by location. Wilton turntable. Non-skid turntable. Wilton decorating bags. Sandwich baggies. Wilton plastic tips. Plastic tips with bag. Wilton icing smoother. Putty knives. Wilton brush set. Paintbrush set. Wilton squeeze bottles. Condiment bottles. Wilton rolling pin. Wooden rolling pin. Wilton floral wire. .26 gauge floral wire. Wilton fondant trimmer. Pizza cutter. Wilton icing comb. Y-tooth hair comb. Wilton melting pot. Melting pot insert. Wilton tool caddy. Makeup caddy. That's a total savings of
Wow!
Thank you for watching.